Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the FxPro trading app so you can get started confidently. Now, once you log into your FxPro account, you land on the homepage. Here, you can see your FxPro wallet, including your current balance and options to deposit or withdraw funds. Then to add money, just go ahead and tap Add Funds. From here, just simply choose a payment method and confirm, and then your balance will update right after. Still on the homepage, you'll see your trading accounts, including real and demo accounts at the bottom. If you're new, I recommend using a demo account first to practice without risk. You can also create a new real account anytime from this section. And then to start trading, you want to tap Trade at the bottom. This opens the market page where you'll find forex, stocks, crypto, metals, and commodities. You can browse categories or use a search bar to quickly find an asset like gold or USD. Now, you want to tap on an asset to open its chart. From here, you can change time frames, switch chart types, and add indicators like RSI. You can also expand the chart to use drawing tools for basic analysis. And when you're ready, just simply tap buy or sell at the bottom, enter your lot size and set a stop loss or take profit if you want. Confirm the trade and it'll appear on your trades tab right over here. This is where you can also monitor or close any position anytime. Then for your past trades, these are all saved in history. And you can also check the economic calendar at the bottom to stay updated on market news. And basically, that's it. That's the basics of using the FxPro trading app. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.